Welcome. If you want to keep your browsing private or fix website issues, clearing cookies in Google Chrome is a quick and easy solution. Today, I'll walk you through how to clear cookies from just the last week in Chrome, so you don't lose everything, just what you need. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Once it's open, look for the three dots in a row. These are usually in the top right or bottom right corner, depending on your device. Tap on those three dots to open the Options menu. From the menu that appears, find and tap on History. This will show you a list of sites you visited recently. At the top of this screen, you'll see an option called Clear Browsing Data. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll see a checklist of what you can clear, things like browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images, and more. For this process, make sure cookies and site data is selected. You'll see a blue check mark next to it when it's selected. Next, look for the time range option. Tap on it, and you'll see several choices. Last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Since we want to clear cookies from just the last week, choose last 7 days. Once you've selected the right time range and confirmed that cookies and site data is checked, tap the Clear Data button. You might see a pop-up asking you to confirm. Just tap Clear or Delete to finish. That's it. You've just cleared cookies from the last week in Google Chrome. This can help protect your privacy, sign you out of sites you visited recently, and even solve some website problems. If you want to keep your browsing smooth and secure, try clearing your cookies every so often. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more simple tech tips.